Why is an inverted pendulum stabilized when you shake the base? Let's consider an inverted pendulum initially offset by some angle. If the base is stationary, the pendulum will fall as expected. Let's assume the base is either accelerating up or down at a uniform rate by an applied force. If this force is downward and equal to the weight of the pendulum is in free fall and doesn't rotate. If the force is greater than the weight of the pendulum, it generates a torque on the pendulum that acts to push it back to the inverted position. If you've ever been accelerated downward on an amusement park ride faster than you'd be accelerating in free fall, you and your hair have experienced this. To oscillate the base, we need to return it to the original position to cycle. This upward force generates a torque in addition to the weight to move the pendulum away from the inverted state. However, the downward acceleration moves the pendulum to a position in which the upward acceleration generates a smaller torque. If these accelerations are large enough, there is a net torque each cycle moving the pendulum upwards.